This Ninja BN701 Professional Plus blender is built for people who want serious blending power without stepping into complicated, commercial-grade machines. Designed to handle everything from daily smoothies to dense frozen desserts, this blender combines raw strength with smart automation. With a 1,400 peak watt motor, auto IQ technology, and a large capacity crushing pitcher, it positions itself as a reliable centerpiece for busy kitchens, fitness-focused households, and families that blend in bulk. From the moment it is placed on the counter, the Ninja BN701 makes a strong visual impression. Its modern dark gray finish looks clean and purposeful, fitting comfortably into both minimalist and traditional kitchen setups. The motor base feels solid and stable, signaling durability and long-term performance. This is not a lightweight, disposable blender. It is clearly engineered to handle frequent, demanding use. At the heart of this blender is its 1,400 peak watt motor, which delivers impressive torque and speed. This level of power allows the machine to crush ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients with ease. Whether you are blending leafy greens, fibrous vegetables, or frozen berries straight from the freezer, the Ninja BN701 maintains consistent momentum without stalling or overheating. This is especially valuable for users who prepare protein shakes, smoothie bowls, or frozen drinks regularly. The total crushing blade assembly is another defining feature. These stacked blades are designed to pull ingredients down into the vortex, ensuring even blending from top to bottom. Ice is reduced to a snow-like texture rather than uneven chunks, making the blender ideal for frozen drinks, slushes, and homemade ice cream. The blade design also contributes to smoother results, reducing the need to stop and scrape the sides during blending. One of the most user-friendly elements of this blender is its auto IQ technology. Instead of relying on manual speed adjustments and guesswork, auto IQ offers 3 intelligent preset programs specifically tuned for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. These programs use timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to optimize texture and consistency. For users who want reliable results with minimal effort, this automation removes much of the trial and error typically associated with high-powered blenders. Capacity is another strong advantage. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is designed for large batches, making it ideal for families or meal prep routines. With a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces, it can easily handle multiple servings in one cycle. This reduces prep time and makes it practical for hosting, batch cooking, or preparing smoothies for the entire household in one go. Despite its size and power, the Ninja BN701 remains approachable for everyday use. The control panel is simple and clearly labeled, with responsive buttons and a logical layout. Even first-time users can operate the blender confidently within minutes. The lid locks securely into place, and the pitcher sits firmly on the base, reducing vibration during high-speed blending. Cleanup is refreshingly straightforward. The BPA-free pitcher and blade assembly are dishwasher-safe on the top rack, which saves time after busy mornings or post-workout routines. For quick cleaning, a simple rinse with warm water and a drop of dish soap followed by a short blend cycle is often enough to keep the pitcher clean and odor-free. In real-world use, this blender shines in versatility. Smoothies come out consistently smooth, frozen drinks have a professional texture, and homemade ice cream blends evenly without icy patches. While it is not marketed as a food processor replacement, it can handle light tasks like blending sauces, pureeing soups, and mixing batters with ease. Its strength lies in blending performance, and it delivers exactly what it promises. For health-conscious users, fitness enthusiasts, and busy families, the Ninja BN701 offers a dependable balance of power, simplicity, and capacity. It avoids unnecessary complexity while still delivering professional-level results. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone upgrading from a basic blender or replacing an underpowered model that struggles with frozen ingredients. Overall, the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus blender stands out as a well-rounded, high-performance appliance that delivers consistent results without demanding constant attention from the user. It is built to last, easy to operate, and powerful enough to handle daily blending needs with confidence. Key features and benefits: 1,400 peak watts for powerful, consistent blending. Total crushing blades for smooth, ice, and frozen drinks. Auto IQ presets eliminate guesswork. Large 72-ounce pitcher for family-sized batches. Dishwasher-safe components for easy cleanup. Pros and cons. Pros: strong motor handles ice and frozen ingredients effortlessly. Auto IQ programs simplify blending for beginners. Large capacity ideal for families and meal prep. Durable build with modern, professional design. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: large pitcher requires more storage space. Can be loud at maximum power. Limited preset options beyond core blending functions. Final verdict: the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender is a powerful, dependable solution for anyone who blends frequently and expects consistent results. Its combination of high wattage, intelligent automation, and generous capacity makes it suitable for smoothies, frozen drinks, and homemade ice cream without frustration. If you are looking for a blender that delivers performance without unnecessary complexity, this model is a strong contender. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and explore everything this blender can do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.